So in this video, let's talk about how you can make a RAR file on your iPhone. Let's get started. So the RAR file type is technically a compression format. So if you want to, you can technically compress something on your iPhone and end up with this kind of file. But you should know that on the iPhone, you can, as you can see, I have this like RAR file in here, but the iPhone does support compression built in, but it only works if you hold down on it, like on any individual file, click on compress, and it does work as I say, but it doesn't make it, or it doesn't turn it into the RAR file format, but it's gonna zip it, right? So it's gonna be .zip right here. And I mean, it works, like it still compresses the file, and it just like works on multiple different platforms. However, if you really and specifically want a RAR, not a zip, then I would recommend you to essentially just go to a web browser and use an online converter to change that, right? So you can literally just type in a zip to RAR, and you can find a couple of different websites which allow you to essentially upload your zipped file. So you can click on a select file, browse through your files app, and upload anything you essentially need, right? Just make sure you find the proper folder and everything, and you just click on a done and like upload, then tap on convert and just confirm it like that. And then after it's done converting, you can click on a download, and through the Safari download page, you can bring and save the finished RAR file wherever you basically decide. So it's pretty convenient. Obviously, I wouldn't really recommend you to go with that. Just zip it up, just make it a zip file, and it's gonna be probably good for most of the cases, but if you really need, that is the way. So let me know below in the comments if it worked, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.